Had to go make a bag, it wasn't easy. I got rest, now they act like they need me. I got all the young kids trying to beat me. I believe it, I don't need a genie. Promise granny, she see me on TV. See through all black shades like I'm Stevie. Making rest and
Yo, what's good, YouTube? What's good with y'all niggas, you feel me? Hey, this gonna be a little, feel me? This probably gonna be, if I actually do put the effort in, this probably gonna be the best video I've dropped so far. Just saying, for me. But hey, hopefully the wait was worth it, you feel me? Hopefully y'all niggas gonna enjoy this one. And hey, one more thing. Hey, I appreciate y'all for all the comments, like the likes, the engagement basically. Like, I appreciate all of that. Like, genuinely from the bottom of my heart, I genuinely do appreciate it, and I love y'all for that. But hey, I'm gonna let me just cut the yapping, bruh. I'm gonna take y'all niggas. Actually, I'm gonna see y'all niggas in the video, bruh. Safety. Alright, so today is currently the 23rd. It's like 3 days before I travel to the coast. But hey, y'all niggas know I always have some shit sort of planned before I do actually get into whatever the title is, you feel me? Right now, I'm just gonna go get ready because I'm gonna go run a few errands with my homeboys. And also to this person right here, bro, I was gonna say your government name, but I'm bugging. I got you. I'll show you after I do get the new shinies printed. I'll show you the old fit and then also the new one.
choking. Through the back though, don't leave it open. I got big diamonds, Nick always soaking.
Like,
Yeah, I did too, yeah.
Want to know me money?
Mas will be going with Mr. Price, yes?
Yeah.
You are killing Russia, oh, you say,
Sugi red petit.
is dier.
Oh. Nee, is net.
Kan maar Jisuki weer red weet. Ik zit in
Ah.
de dier. Ah, ja.
It's relay, bro. Relay. That's a red petit. Get relay.
Is it really? Red Bed is niet top, is beter. Beter als
Yeah, this was ambassador.
Hoe is de red bed beter dan Yes.
So guys, we came here to get milk for Paula's 17 kids. It's just like, oh, nah, that's it.
What am I
Wow.
eating tonight? Let us go. So you see what I'm eating.
Looks like I'm not eating milk tonight.
How much cheap?
The plan was to eat
Just says 50.
milk too. 52.
Any cheese?
Just
I think I'll just go eat some bread and cheese. But looks like the cheese is like 64. Yeah, that was also 64.
what the crap is it?
100. I'm not eating bread and cheese anymore. So I'll rather have this.
You like that?
$17.
Struggle with shit.
But I'll not buy it now. I'll come buy it later.
Only
Look how much I gained. 20 for the milk. Yes, you guys are. It's okay, I'll use it for something else.
Yeah, Bollywood.
Actors must help. You don't know how to make. You don't need to egg. Oh, the blood. crazy how one million come out total.
In there.
So I just got back to the crib. The phone kind of died when we were on our way to Blueberry to go buy the 2 shirts that I'm gonna go print on tomorrow. If I don't get the shorts, then I'll just go print on the shirts. But yeah, hopefully I do get that done. And yeah, that's basically the plan for tomorrow. Where are we going? Going to Vanille to run some errands. I had to go print these shanties to check. For what?
I think we can cover it with this one, the pimple.
Bruh. They don't know.
But I think this is your shade.
To do what? Cover my pimple?
Yeah.
Bruh, leave my pimple alone, bro. Let me embrace it. You spend what? $20, right?
Yes.
And then you got this long.
Why is it so low?
I didn't record the part where we bought the short, but I did get the short at Mr. Price. And then now we're just gonna head over to the printing guy and then drop off the clothes and then collect it tomorrow. I'm rating that one 2 stars because I did not want me to let me go.
I thought I'd lost my $20.
Oh, I would. I would laugh. I won't lie. Yo, the sun is making me itch, but then the pimple.
Still, they went to venue. When you came back, you have a pimple here.
I know.
I don't even want to be friends with you.
As if you're my friend. Yeah, we'll see how you go home. Yeah.
Wait, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
For? For what?
For saying.
Uh-huh. For? I'm listening. I'm listening, bro.
It's fine, I'll just walk.
Sharp.
I would rather walk than apologize. So I'm walking home, guys. Men aim. So just walk home. I'm walking home.
Sharp. Alright, let me request the angle. So, vodka.
Thanks, mate. That was you outsider. Hoeveel is die t-shirt? Hier?
It's getting close on 150 mark.
151.
Gosh, yeah.
Mexico, man. But you can like me 6-pack of you do this, yeah.
Ah, for sec.
Play clean, eh?
Soft.
Soft.
Mm.
Clean jeans.
Black on black.
Black. Wat gaan er?
Finish this big man, bro. Hey guys.
Such a privilege to have Miss Lust in my vlog. Imagine.
I'm your cousin.
Personal battle.
So today is the day that we're traveling, you feel me? Now I'm just making my way down to where the car is waiting for us, you feel me? Got my laptop bag, my shoes bag, and like for the clothes you check. So I'm gonna catch our next one there, or when I'm there at least, you feel me? So we Karibab now. Kan person die boss van die 7 session is die ons check hulle miskien aan die coast en weer Asha.
Damn. Walking up fast.
Trip check. Huh? Trip check.
It's Arabic cap. Check.
Arabic.
Arabic.
Oh, okay.
Durag. White tee. Black shorts
From where are these shorts here?
my aunt got them from Russia. You feel me?
That shit.
Black Nike socks. Really jeans like calm. Let me see.
Do they really wanna know? This is a young shirt. It's from I don't know where. Yeah. That's it, man.
Explain the fit.
This fit. This fit is from the outsiders. The shorts are like from. It's just a calm fit. Fit from where? Mr. Price. Yeah, Mr. Price.
Type shit. And the hat.
The head is from. Where did I get it? I don't remember. I don't know that shop's name. I told me. Yeah.
With the black socks and Crocs. Type
It's a
shit.
calm vibe.
Type shit.
Not too much.
We just landed like what, not even 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Now
Check.
we're just chilling.
Just chilling. Let me check. Wheezy.
Easy trip check.
Calm fit.
Fit check.
Trucker, I don't know, these from my cousin. Rings, Vernier, family heirloom, tea, black tea, fix, side bag, sports sense, hemisphere.
Let's go to my bro.
Yes.
Diggs. My Diggs.
Italian rubber.
Coke Italian rubber.
Socks are light. Just Bogart socks.
Bogart.
Shorts
Something.
I got for free. Let me not go to the shirt.
Where did you get this one from? I never seen this one in any shop.
It's not from here.
Not from here, ne? Abroad. To buy. Come to our baby.
Baby work.
So guys, we just came quickly to the beach and look how full it is. It's very full.
I'm on these drugs on geek. On some women I can't even speak. They gon' hang us and young nigga lit. I've been doing this shit for a minute. Lulu learning the way that I'm in it. Taking drugs, I'm stacking my feelings. All these drugs got me to the ceiling. All these drugs got me to the ceiling. But they was just stuck in my feelings. Ain't been giving no fucks, I've been chillin'. They gon' love my name for a minute. They can tell that I'm one of the realest. Damn, my pockets getting bigger. I've been mixing codeine with the liquor. I was fucked up, now I'm the shit, I can't wait till a young nigga rich, On my grind, give a fuck about a bitch, Steady talking like bro, pick your blick up. I can fuck with them niggas that switched up. I can fuck on that hoe, I'm not brick, Pushing P, I'm pushing pressure. Extraordinary, I'm so extra.
So this is the end of day one, you check. Oh, us being in the coast. Going back to my cousin's crib now. I'm staying. The others are staying at the bungalow. And then, yeah, so I'm going back to the crib now. Just got dropped off. And then
Come in, bro.
Wait.
Welcome to my room.
Here? I bet. Yeah. Heavy. Tough. Damn. Let me catch y'all niggas tomorrow. Peace.
Young nigga, I'm a stepper. I do anything to get my check up. I was broken, I was bumming, life was fucking hell. Now I'm kinda ransom. Doctor say I need a checkup. Everybody saying that I'm next up. Louis color for the belt. You don't need to keep my pants up. Pants sagging like a gangster. Pants sagging, I'm a swagster. Pants sagging, I got swag.
No, at least I don't have to wear the caps on this. I look like a human now, bro. Yo.
Every season, young nigga really run it up. For the money, bitch, I'm fiending. Big deposit
position. Steady cooking, I ain't missing. And I use raw water for the dishes. Don't give a fuck about these bitches. Don't give a fuck about these nickels. Niggas steady bet for nickels. Niggas steady bet for cents. She got good head, but she don't got no sense. She wanna fuck me just off of my scent. I gave me my splits, I get 100%. Bitch, I be booted off 7%. Look at my figure, my style is eccentric. Oh, you need you a pack, just know that I sent it. Young nigga, young step. Go get it, I'ma get it.
Young nigga, I'm a stepper. I do anything to get my check up. I was broken, I was bumming, life was fucking wrong. Now I'm kinda reckless. Doctor say I need a checkup.
Cameraman. Oh, sorry. Hey, record klaar. Want dat? Wet. Je moet namen in kop, maar dat is muziek, bro. Dat is muziek, zo je moet namen in bies. Oh. Alright, we're at the Coca-Cola stage now. We're waiting for mass music to perform, né? Because mass music at perform.
Yeah, mass music.
At 9.
At 9.
So we just wait for him. Yeah.
Yo, I not record like early in the day, you feel me? But yo, eyes red, bro. But last Shandy I saw was last night at SOS, feel me? And today, like I slept over there at my bra's crib, like with them, and then I just came back now to come freshen up, and now I'm going back because we gonna be at the beach for a little bit. And then we're gonna have a braai later. So yeah, hopefully y'all niggas already enjoying it. You know, hopefully you've been enjoying the video like since it started. My eye is actually red. Yo. But yeah, hopefully y'all niggas have been enjoying the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. On the road to 50 subscribers, you feel me? And yeah, man. Hopefully y'all been enjoying the clips and shit. Like yeah. You feel me? But I'ma see y'all niggas at the beach.
In Zambia. But that's a ZA. Yeah. In Zambia.
But Zambia by ZA. 120.
Namibian special, but that's 18. It's 80, man.
Wat vind je 80 van? Ik zie nou 120.
Namibian special.
Namibian special.
Schools of 10 or more learners. Hoeveel lessons?
Het is 12. Het is 13. 35 pesos.
Per learner, bro.
Per learner, maar als je student, als je zoveel learners hier.
Het kan voor alle licht, bro. Jewelry gezegd.
I see it. Oh, I see, yeah. Ah. Kalau bandu ke kamu ada si baby sedis tak? Aha. Yes.
Yeah, wait. Kaya na siya mag-video ko. Dati man na road.
Spandeer on Alonso Zagi.
Casino.
Di casino tu. Straight. Casino. Casino.
Jadi jaga kan ya.
Mudah gala niemo bat. Mudah gala fang. Fat open standard. Snacks. Pisang. Jason masukin pineapple also pizza. Macam kau?
What's up, snacks?
Yeah. Sugjinak bag. Sugjinak bag. Cheese ga.
Kan go burger. Upstairs better.
Ah?
Slap in the seat kamu.
Yang like legit. Marsani ko jewa ko dai sana ne. Or Drake and Kendrick. Ness and Zolan.
Ano na sa Drake, ano na sa Kendrick, malas ka mga besties.
That's it. Ela! Ela! Nighttime. Yes, yes. Ta. Can you send me? Alright, so we're going to the jet now to come take some aesthetics with the guys. Hola, say hello, girl.
Hi vlog.
Paulus. Just don't. Ela! 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 Ela!
I don't know what's going on, probably need some help. Ain't take drugs in a while, take care of my health. I've been fucked up for a while, tell me why you left. This shit been getting hard, but I guess you don't care. Control my vibe, control my vibe. Could've said that you don't fuck with me, just wasting my time. I know it's hard, but you can see that I'm trying. You done did me wrong, so why the fuck is you crying? Me and the twins, just hoping we win. I just pray to God, hope he forgive all my sins. Love is a drug, so I ain't even gon' hold ya. I can't take these drugs no more, I got paranoia. Come and put it on me, I got something to show ya. If your legs up in the air, I got you screaming out, oh yeah. Love is a drug, so I ain't even gon' hold ya.
Bakanwar, wat is dat binnen?
Zolan. A ribs. No Zolan. A wota me. Idreses ran slap, ik zal opstaan. Daar feit ons. Bra, kom e faz lá na estamos. Moleque, fancy se mine afkom dan o. Dis ding. Não, para 10 quilos de wifi. Para não vir para jogar no che.
So wifi.
Não quero,
Oh, bra, che.
Aí, daí deixa me deixar.
One of them right here. One of them. How come it doesn't said
Weezy.
I really don't be useless. Ik wil een word of the day. First time I lost my virginity, it was like,
Ja, flex op, hier los ik daar niet op. Ga man.
Zeg die vlog. Handen van ons?
see you too.
No, just.
Oh shit, paparazzi. Wagwan, bro. It's your boy WIZZY. Weezy in the motherfucking game. We're on the way to Lansdowne right now. Yeah.
Wagwan. Ringtone. Ay, what's a ringtone?
Oh, ringtone.
Wat? Intro. Sorry, come on, ringtone.
John.
Why not?
Aye, go to Parada. Okay.
Let me not. Let me not.
What?
Let me not. Let me not. Let me bust it out in the cold water. Let me not in the cold water.
Bad, told them guys. I'm more than fans, I did that, I need the advance. Then I IG and into my lane. I did I thing.
I'm fucking the world, I answered my plans. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So then I popped out and did it again, and did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect them, and did it again. Advice from the council, let nobody in. And swearing through rumors, avoiding the trends. And ducking the holes, I'm ducking the loony that come with the shows. I pray for the man, and he opened the doors. They bump when they told us to come and compose. I reached the stars, and my tippy toes is
Yo. What? 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 Hey, I also just deep something, man. I know I've not been like sort of recording and talking to y'all throughout the entire vlog, but it's like I want you to experience the shanty with me, so I don't really want to explain it, but I will add like voiceovers, you feel me, to make y'all niggas. Yeah, but I mainly want y'all to experience it with me, so most of the shanties just happen in the moment. I can't just record, you feel me? Yeah, so hopefully y'all niggas have been enjoying the vlog though, for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 50 subscribers right now. Yeah, I never stops, man. And Happy New Year's, bruh. Happy New Year's. Safe. I forgot to explain this, but I just went to Wolfish Bay with my bra, and then he dropped me off by my homegirl, and then we just went out to eat. But y'all gonna see that. Let me see what I want to order, bruh. Say a nice shandy menu with a nice view.
What is the camera pen?
Not you.
Sushi.
Huh?
Sushi. No. Sushi. That. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's Rojo's. It's keeping it classy this side, please.
You don't look classy.
It's beach vibes, please. You're taking content.
I can take these drugs no more, I got paranoia. Come and put it on me, I got something to show ya. If it lays up in the air, I got you screaming out, oh yeah. Hate it when you miss, so can we please stop fighting? I won't even lie, miss the times I will hold ya. You hate when I'm high, and I just hate to adore ya.
You know what it looks like? It genuinely looks like only that thing.
Huh? It looks like it's only limited. Don't worry, bro. Alright, chat. like mukbang, you feel me?
Mhm.
The snitcho action with what's that called?
Nog een stuk.
Huh?
Nog een stuk.
What is it?
Expected.
What's the name, bro?
The mutton chop.
Huh?
Mutton chop.
Tell the vlog, bro.
This is mutton chop. Yeah.
Sure. Wait, you tell him to get the guy.
Ik heb 4 warm. Ik heb 4 warm tot op het laatst.
You don't see how long they took. Fat. Shit is way too soft, bro.
Well, the chips. I don't know if I like that. Sorry.
Nah, I don't know. Chips is whack though, low key. Oh, into it.
The cheese sauce?
Cheese sauce, yo, streamy, bro. But then I'm a Vambo also, so I have to. I like it. I just finished up my plate, huh? My what? Just that's. Actual cost klein.
Full. It's full.
Tira quente. What? Explain your outfit, Chief. What's your outfit?
Oh,
Fit check.
check. Cocaine.
Huh?
Never go wrong with a cocaine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's a light,
Baggy.
very baggy sweatpants.
Mm-hmm.
A polo shirt. Calvin Klein. A long sleeve.
Nike.
Yeah. Anyways.
I'm young like what? Your fit check. Explain your outfit.
What are we saying? Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
it goes or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
We always love movies.
Straight. Yeah, busy coming. Explain your outfit, Chief. Tell the choofers.
Polo.
Mm-hmm.
The earrings gone.
Eish.
Chain. Visa.
Pearls.
I got it somewhere around Verno. Shirt. Fix. Trousers I also got them at Fix. Old Star Sports Things. With some Nike socks there in the background. Check.
Yeah, I seen.
Yeah. And then, just a little bit of jewelry.
Yeah.
And the family heirloom watch, just to show the time. You know what time it is? Yeah.
Let's come here, Pau.
Solan.
B. Roep jou, Nes, kom hier. Kom praat jou Engels.
Shades? From Cody's bag.
Hij zei bij shades, bra. Ik ken ook je, bra. Je komt go.
Welcome to my vlog. We're about to go.
Nee, bra, daar zou ons wat kijken, nee.
Waarom niet?
Nou. Yeah.
I still rap baby 2026, my pockets worth the brick. That shit don't even know my name, but she still fucking with the kid. I made like 5 bands today, I might spend it on some ricks. Got a fresh red twist, I might just take a nigga bitch. I might dab up on my ups just cause I'm feeling like the shit. You my dog for sure, but who gon' take the risk?
Alright, so the reason why the first is skipped is because we low-key overnighted at Langstrand and then got back the next morning. and slept the whole day or slept the day away. So another thing also is I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I said this at the intro already, but I genuinely do appreciate the love and the support on the videos, bro. I appreciate the people, they know themselves, but them like reminding me, yo, when are you dropping the vlog, you know, go edit the vlog. Yeah, like I appreciate y'all. Even you watching this video right now, listening to me, you may not have liked the video or subscribed to the channel, but you're watching the video. That's all. That's cool. As long as you're showing support, bro, by watching the video. And I do appreciate you. I mean, it would be a little better if you like the video and subscribe. But yeah, you just watching is cool too. Also, another thing, do you, bro. Stop trying to fit into a crowd that you don't feel welcome in or that you don't feel comfortable in, bro. A little message from me to you. Hey, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up, twin. But yeah, twin, y'all niggas know the drill, bro. I'ma see y'all niggas in the next vlog or two. You feel me? Safety.
I sell out close to the boy like he loves it. We reacting for things that are funny. My bitch mama just knows getting money. Try to make him humble like a bunny.
Yeah. If Code is not posting on YouTube, then who's going to post on YouTube? Go down to Cody's YouTube.
I put my country on the map, calling us. Got a lot that I could ask. In that whip and I'm trying not to crash. Wish niggas tripping out the haze. What you could do inside of my double cup. If I'm trying to get lit, to sip it up. I ain't going to Alaska.